everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you another beautiful pattern using new stitches and colorful yarn and hook size is 2.5. You can apply this pattern on the blankets, cardigan, sweater, hat and so many things you can. Don't waste our time. Let's begin it. It's 2 row and 1 chain pattern. That's why I am not counting the chains. So when you are starting any project, just measure the size of the project and make chains according that size. I am making random chains. There's no measurement or the counting. When we finish the chains, make 1 chain for the first row. Skip that first chain. Make single crochet in the second upper loop. Remain 2 twisted loops in the bottom. Again we make single crochet in every upper loop of the chain. It is not part of the pattern, but it will give beautiful texture to your project on the border. So we continue making single crochet through the row. You can see the twisted loops in the bottom looking beautiful. When you start any project, just use upper loop of the chains and remain 2 twisted loops in the bottom. After making the first row, we make 1 chain and turn the pattern. Make 1 single crochet in the first loop. Make 1 chain and turn the pattern to the front side. You can see I made single crochet in the first chain. Here we start the stitches. You can see the loops or chains over the single crochet I made. In these loops we are going to work. Enter the hook from the front to back. Yarn over. Pull up the yarn. Make sure 2 loops are straight up. Yarn over. Pull through loops. Pull up and make this loop long. Now I'm making the second. Enter the hook from front to back. Yarn over and pull up the loops and make single crochet. Normal single crochet we move forward, but in this case we are moving backward. Making these stitches, remember that when you pull up the loops, make them straight and then make single crochet, and also make this loop long so that we can make the other twisted single crochet easily. Can you suggest me the name of this stitch? I do not understand. What should I call? As you noticed, I am calling it twisted single crochet. Should I stay with this name? Make them straight and make the loop long. This way we can continue the twisted single crochet through the row. You are noticing there little twist over the row, looking gorgeous and elegant. Let's practice this stitch again and again so we grip over this stitch. It is very easy as single crochet, not a single crochet, but it easy as a single crochet. I am using multicolored yarn. You can use 2 color yarn for the pattern. First yarn is for the first row and second yarn is the second row. At the very end we leave 1 loop unstitched. Move to the back side of the pattern. Here we do a single crochet over the last loop. It's a normal single crochet. Make 2 chains and move to the front side. It's a third row of the pattern. Here at the very end where we start the chains, we do a double crochet over there. It's a first double crochet. Chain will not be counted. After making first double crochet, move for the second, yarn over. You can see the two humps will work between them. Here we do double crochet. I'm working on the second row between two humps. There will be 4 loops, 2 loops of the single crochet in the first row and 2 loops on the second row. We do not work on the first row single crochet, but we work over the second row between the twist. You can clearly see the difference between two rows. Just do double crochet over the second row between the twists. In this way we continue making the double crochet through the row. It's a very easy, but do carefully. See how second row stitches looks. It's very unique. Continue making rest of row. Making double crochet over every loop. It is the second last double crochet. Here at the end we add another double crochet. You can see the straight corner. Now moving to the third row, make one chain, move to the back and do a single crochet as I did in second row. It's just like a second row. Make one chain and move to the front side. Here you can see the loops between double crochet. Here 3 loops, 2 upper side and 1 the lower side. We are not working under 2 loops, but we are working under 3 loops and in the big gap. Stitches are the same we did in the second row, but here we work over the double crochet. See how easy it is, not difficult. Give your feedback after watching this video. How is looks to you? If you are not subscriber of my channel, then subscribe for the latest and the unique design. Thanks for your watching and keep watching at the last. You can see the beauty of the second row and the fourth row. Very unique and elegant. In the end we move to the back side. Here we do a single crochet, and 2 chains. Now we repeat the third row and then second row. In this way we are continue repeating second and third row. Keep enjoying this pattern. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.